Check it out. This is the K20 BFR's K20 turbo that's going all-wheel drive. We got a Delta 7 up there, diffs up there. We got the diff upper bar welded in. Chad's gonna remove everything. We're gonna spray it up black. We're gonna either pinion well or do our clutch locking plate. We're not sure yet. Depends on supplies. Gonna be drilling this, bolting it up. Of course, the top bar is in, as you guys see. And it's coming together. I'm gonna put some arms on there later today. Alright. Get them holies lined up. Holies. Got the spray dot. Doing it out. Blick. We got the arms installed. Went with the cast arms on this one. Shop brackets, just keeping all stock low control arms and everything. So put the brackets in, and it's coming together. You can see this side right here. Finish up the roof rack today.
Finally got it made. So, and then from here we're gonna put
a billet piece.
well, I don't know yet.
Not to be billet, just any.
Yeah, maybe an aluminum sheet to go on top of this.
Yeah.
So we could put stuff on top of it.
Right.
So hopefully we'll well, what I want to do is actually I want to make it like kind of like a basket, you know, a tube that comes up like this.
Up a little
here.
bit, so we gotta drop stuff in there.
Yeah, so stuff doesn't
fall out.
Exactly. So.
Probably get a little bigger than usual baskets, and like a little one that's up.
Yeah, definitely. So I was thinking about, since okay, this is the front, right? Mm-hmm. This is the front. So we'll start off from here. I'll put it at an angle because for wind, you know. So we'll come off like this at an angle like this, and then just come all the way across down, then down.
Aerodynamic, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
And then here we could actually go from here, right? Because it's going to be about this high. And have a bar going across that way that connected to that side there. Yep. And that's kind of like the basket, you know.
Nice. Check it out, y'all.
We got to weld it all up.
Roof basket. Chad and Son bang this out. With
no, and Matt.
And Matt.
Don't forget Matt.
Manufacturing.
Matt did most of the work.
Matt, you bang it out.
I know.
So this is getting powder coated too, right?
Yeah, it's gonna get powder coated. Yeah, Matt did all this.
Right.
Yeah, then you gotta weld.
Like
bust that out.
What's up, Matt?
Break that out.
What's up, man?
The mastermind behind the roof rack. Chad assisted.
What?
Chad's building bumpers now. Look at this.
Yeah, so you have to like, I have to cut this out, right? Shove this
Everything
in
comes
there.
flat in this flat box.
It comes like this. That's dope, man.
And it's been old.
Yeah, I want a CNC laser so bad, man. That's where you make your money at.
Tundra's
right there.
next. Thanks,
I'll
Chad.
find one and I'll build it for you. We gotta find it. There's gotta be some guy on the internet that builds one of these for a Tundra.
I know.
Has to.
You know, the companies that build these, they did it the same way, right? They did it the same way.
Dude, all they have to do is find like the design off of someone and just have a machine print it done.
That laser CNC.
Chad's finishing up the welds here on our new roof rack. Check out the aerodynamic. Whoop.
Well, we're actually, I think we're gonna put a bar from like this turn to that turn. And then build a little, like a aluminum sheet that says S1, so it has like that little aerodynamic thing.
Nice. Man, this one is coming together nice. Nice roof rack. Roof rack business.
Yep.
Coming together.
Oh.
Sparks.
Yeah, this is Song reporting from 911 News. Go ahead, Song. You take over.
Alright. This is the 619 News. No, So what we're doing here, he's having a problem with his motor mounts. It keeps shifting to the side, whatever. To the right side, yeah. To the right side, yeah. Okay. It keeps shifting this way, and it keeps popping his axle out. So what it is, we found out this is kind of loose. It's always loose, always getting loose. So what we're gonna do is we're cleaning this up. And we're gonna push it all the way back this way, and then we're gonna weld it for him.
Oh, nice.
You know,
is that why it's
that's why I think it's always
doesn't line up that much. Okay.
Pops right, and then the axle pops out. So, a couple things that we gotta fix.
Straighten up, get
like
them ready.
This is one of them. What is this? Jesse, what is this?
Is that his ground? It's supposed to be black, Jesse? Jesse, ground is black, Mario. Come on. Oh, Jesse runs no fan. Damn, how do you keep this my cool?
Living on the edge.
Jesse's living on the edge. Okay. But yeah, we'll clean this up for him. Get it semi straight. So no, we're gonna get it straight as possible, so we can go out and rip. This side is cool, right, Sam?
Oh, that has to be fixed a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, so we finally got this rack all done.
Check it out, guys.
So, see it? All we gotta do, well actually not all the way done. We have to put something on top here.
Something flat, right?
Yeah, flat. Piece of mesh or something, so we can put something on top, you know, without wearing.
Without wearing, yeah.
Yep. So, and then.
It looks nice.
And after that, we're gonna drop it off the powder coating. So we came out super solid, yeah. So hopefully we can put a tent up there where we go camping.
Right.
And then back here, we just finally got this back to the powder coating today.
Nice.
Everything got powder coated.
Everything got powder coated, nice.
Yep.
Chad's ladder. Chad and my lane.
And then Chad's putting everything back together for us here. See? All this stuff here, all this.
Nice. You guys remember when this came in? It was like right here, so now we're just widening it out.
So yeah, so can we use the whole use of it? So this is what I was planning. I don't know. I was planning to put a bar across here, and then we're going to make kind of like a tent. You know?
Oh, you mean like
a cover,
like a little army barrack trucks with it?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, nice.
Exactly.
Nice.
So, so when we go camping or whatever, you know.
We have a cover, right?
And then we're gonna get another little ladder right here, so we could
climb up
here, to get up here.
Nice.
This will want to fit Chad's whole family up here. Chad, mini Michaela.
Michaela.
Yeah, the dog. Oh yeah, even the dog is small about this.
Everything's small. Yep. Of course, you guys know this is our fire truck, JDM Fire Truck. Big up to Pro Fab for all the powder coating goodies.
I know, look at the color. You matched it.
You matched it, right?
I was like, damn.
Fire truck red.
I didn't even think it was going to be that perfect.
I know, I wasn't expecting this perfect. So, cool. Joe.
Sweet. Respect, Joe. And check it out, guys. The Driveshaft came in for the K20. The car is coming along. Should be done soon.
Should be done today, but
but yeah, it's kind of busy. But everything's in. The fuel tank is in. Fuel tank's back in. The arms are on. This is on. So it's going good.
That's a coilover.
Coilover's great.
So we were doing earlier, cleaning this up so we could weld this.
Well, it's nice.
Yeah, because this thing keeps shifting. So we're like, let's just weld it on. So
it's in there now for good.
Yep.
Yep. So the K20 is definitely coming together.
We have to change up all these bushings here for him.
Oh, all the bushings, the red bushings, and one in the back too,
right? And then now we just put in this last
bolt in the back.
Bolt in the back, and that's pretty much, and then tighten everything up after that.
Nice. We got the axles in the K20 right now. Got some something to put in there. Getting the drive shaft prepped up, ready to go in. All the places are grinded off already. All grinded off, ready to go. Chad is out of control with Mastermind KK.
What we got going on is we're welding a nut onto here. Not onto here per se, but onto the plate. And then we're gonna weld this plate onto it. This is the right on here. So this way here, it does, this thing is kind of thin, so.
Gotta plate it
Put
up.
it on here, yep. Put a plate up, weld it, put a nut onto here, and then weld a nut onto there, and then we could, that's what's gonna hold up the dry shaft.
Alright. That's how we do it. KK banging it out.
Like always.
With his sidekick Robin over here. Trap shaft is up. Getting sorted out. Almost done. So we attach carrier bearings to that little bracket. That even that metal bracket is custom. It's just bend right there in the little back. Yep. After this, should be driving this thing out of here. Eddie looking nice. Smiling's B2B plateless. Another day, guys. We got the K20 all buttoned up here. This Delta 7 got powder coated. It's white, but the overlay on the back with the S1 belt is gonna be polished chrome. He got some coilovers, so we got our forks on there and our lower control arms, and everything right here is done, as you guys see. We put the plate in, we put a nut in, and everything's bolted up. Real solid setup right here. Very solid. Lifts in, everything's bolted up nice. Everything's bolted up nice. We're gonna go put some fluid in this. On this, we did the locking plates. We're gonna do another video on that to show you guys how we do the locking plates and that. Not pinning well, the locking plates. Everything is up. So we should be getting a start up here pretty soon. Show you guys forward spin. Show another one down. It's been nice. Well, Jesse, we know you're gonna be taking this car to Mexico. As soon as you get it, you're gonna put it on a shipping container and ship it off. But this thing is probably in Mexico tonight. Stay tuned. They're very nice still. Another one. Like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.
Like, subscribe, S1 belt.
It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game. S1 always will. Got them cars killing speeds, and just sound like artillery. It's all really deep. Looks like a war machine, like it's made for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, always gripping pavement. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the land